Welcome back, everybody, and thank you for tuning into this episode of Breakdown. Now, I probably should have explained this in the first video, but we'll do it in the second. These breakdown videos are meant to take a closer look at a lot of these fossils that I have and just talk about them, because there's a lot of small details that just get glanced over when you're doing a regular fossil hunting video or a fossil prep video. So this is going to be more of a study type video series. And I'll be honest, we're going to come across things that I don't even know yet myself. But that's all part of it. We're learning together. We're going to see some cool things. We're probably going to see some weird things. But I hope you enjoy, and without further ado, let's get into today's video. Now, as many of you saw my short video, you know this piece is worthy of a microscope. Unfortunately, I don't have an SD card for my microscope right now, so I can't export any clips from the device. So the phone camera will have to do. Most of these fossils are actually crinoids, but as we zoom in here, there's actually some pretty nice detail on these crinoids. I'll try not to shake too much. Now, it's going to be hard to say for sure what all lies in between these crinoids. Probably some corals, some bryozoans, and crinoid fragments. But there's really no way to know for sure just because it's so beat up. And then on the back side, we have more of the same. Some pretty nice crinoids here. Wow, that's cool. One thing I did want to note is on the back here, we do have a nice big bryozoan. And the reason why I would call this a bryozoan is not only the iconic Y shape, but if I can zoom in without being too shaky, you can actually see that it has the correct pattern. I don't know what kind of bryozoan this would be, but I can definitely confirm that it is one. And then just some more jumbled fossil mess here on the side. You can see the fossils go all the way through this piece right here. So it's really just a crazy rock. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. This piece was actually found in Missouri. This isn't the only fossil plate I have from there. We did find a few bigger ones. They're just not as populated with fossils, I guess you would say. So I wanted to start with this one and see how you guys liked it. So that's about all the verbal information I have for this piece. Now we're going to move on and throw some music on in the background and give you guys a really close look at this entire rock. I hope you enjoy.